Larry Kaplan from MarineMax at the Channel Club Marina in Monmouth Beach, New Jersey. This is our 2018 275 Scout Dorado dual console model. This boat has full hull color black with Scout white above the rub rail. The boat has the upgraded Yamaha 200 horsepower outboards, painted Scout white as well. From the cockpit, you can see the optional rocket launchers mounted on the hardtop, as well as some of the speakers in the upgraded Fusion stereo system with JL speakers and subwoofer. Down on the hull underwater, we have a set of two underwater LED Lumishore SMX22. In the cockpit, this boat has the optional port and starboard fold down side seats, as well as two jump seats forward, making for a really nice seating area in this very large cockpit for a 27-foot boat. This boat has the upgraded Breeza Heritage Custom Cockpit seating package. Companion seat, as well as helm seat with flip-up bolster. For electronics, this boat has a Garmin display 7610 XSV and is paired with a Garmin B60 transducer. Next to it is your Fusion stereo, along with a holder behind for your smartphone. On the port side of the boat, we have in this pod vacuum flush head, electric head with sink in the head, fresh water supply, and that is a handheld shower. Going forward through the center walk, you have port and starboard seating, both with armrests, as well as a handy bow table that pulls right out with two cup holders, so you can sit and enjoy a beverage while cruising. Up in the bow, you have a Lumar windlass with chain and line rode, and then foot pedals to let it down or bring it back up. Thank you. Again, walking back to the cockpit of the boat with the seating up, you can see it's a very large open cockpit, ready to go fishing. There are fish wells on both sides of the boat, as well as your bait wells, one in each corner of the transom. Again, this is Larry Kaplan from the Channel Club Marina in Monmouth Beach, New Jersey. Thank you for looking at our 275 Scout Dorado. Thank you. You could reach me at 732-874-7196 if you're looking for this boat or any of the other boats that MarineMax sells. Thank you.